Presenting the Mercedes AMG G63 Mansory, the ultimate blend of luxury and power. Mansory takes the iconic G-Wagon to a whole new level, with a bold carbon fiber body kit and an aggressive new look. The redesigned hood, wider fenders, and sharper lines turn this SUV into a road-dominating beast. Custom-forged wheels, enhanced LED elements, and signature Mansory details make every angle unforgettable. Step inside and you're welcomed by handcrafted leather, premium stitching, and a luxury cabin built for pure comfort. Powered by a twin-turbo V8, Mansory pushes performance even further, delivering explosive power and an unmistakable exhaust note. The G63 Mansory isn't just an SUV. It's a statement of style, strength, and unmatched presence, the true king of luxury performance.